attention really works.
I don't think it works either. Their parents will need to do something about them because their attitude right now in class isn't good.
I love proactive parents. These make life so much easier.
Right. I couldn't get the students to pay attention in my class today either.
And it's crazy because every time I turn around to write on a whiteboard, I got these two students that want to disrupt class, and then everybody else just want to join in.
I know this is the third time this week I had to take a cell phone from a student.
So I'm going to assume that your children think that your classroom is lame, just like mine. I share your pain, ladies. Grabbing and keeping my children's attention every day gets harder and harder.
I'm just so fed up. I'm just so ready to throw in the towel. It's just ridiculous.
Well, I know that may seem like the best answer, but it's not. I propose that we bring in what they love most. If they want technology, let's give it to them.
Oh, okay. So they're supposed to be perfect little angels and give us their undivided attention after we get what we taken back to them?
God, that's crazy.
Yeah, real smart.
No, seriously, hear me out. If they want technology, let's give it to them. If they give almost all of their attention to electronics and games, then let's find a way to integrate the two, because then our children will be happy because they won't be bored in class anymore. And if we can get this done, then we'll be able to complete a daily lesson plan.
Okay, I'm hearing you, but I'm not really understanding how we're supposed to get this accomplished.
There are all types of ways that we could do this. We have computers. We could rent overhead projectors. We could even get electronic games. I mean, there's all different types of ways. It's just how we would demonstrate it in class and how it would be most effective.
Okay, so say that we do this. Where exactly are we going to get the money from?
That, my good friends, is where the federal government and all the money that we can receive comes from.
Good thing. Should do something about that.